Okay, so first, i-check sa nato ning first na battery which is on the right hand side. Check na to iyahang percentage kung pila. Good evening o maayong gabi sa tanan. So, finally, after almost 4 months, the replacement batteries are already here. So, this came from Motostrada in Caloocan. So, these batteries came about a week ago, but they have difficulty in sending this battery to Cebu because batteries are treated as hazardous materials for especially lithium ion batteries. So abot na siya karon and let's try to unbox this one. Bugat siya no. It weighs at around 25 kilos. Medyo bugat siya. Okay, so as you can see sa box, gikan na siya sa CF Moto. Okay. So by the way, dala ni siya from warehouse sa Compostela, Cebu and brought here to Pardo, which is ilang logistics officer, I think si Sir Hatch. Tabang pagdala ni sa balay since doon lang ang balay diri sa mua, so gikuha lang ako dito. And time check, it's 9:30 PM. So gabi na, usap pa nato nakuha ang battery. So Motostrada or Zeeho Philippines authorized dealer said that these batteries are somewhat of upgraded. So upgraded ang term. Not sure kung unsa gani siya nga klase sa upgraded, but we'll find out. Okay. Okay, so naka-wrap siya with foam for safety. Okay, so muna ang duha ka battery. So, okay na to. Okay, so muna yan ang duha ka batteries. It's still the same 69 volts at 32 ampere hour. And one thing I've noticed is wala nila pala dala ang gatong cover, no? Naman to siya cover diri sa battery. So check na ko sa packaging, wala ko kakita. So the top cover of the batteries were not available, and also the only difference sa previous battery na to is kani iyang battery indicator. So when you press the indicator, it changes color. So red on the rightmost, so meaning this will be the most depleted one, and the rest is already lighted green. So mo to klaro pa ba ninyo diha? So red and green. Unlike on the previous na to nga battery, ano siya? Blue lang siya tanan. No? Okay, so let's try to install this sa ato ang motorcycle and check individually kung pila na lang ang iyang percentage charge before na to siya i-charge either both parallel or ano lang, no? So check sa na to. So maybe if the percentage is not the same, so maybe i-charge na to siya individually at first, then i-charge na to ang the other one next para mabalance din siya. Okay? But if the percentage of both batteries are the same, so basin pwede rin na to siya charge nga magdungan. So taod na to yung mga terminals. Pero so far, I think the battery percentage based on the indicator at 2 bars, so naana siguro rin siya sa mga 25% or 30. Same naman silang duha sa indicator. Okay, nasa 2 bars. Okay, same sa speakers. So we'll try to install this sa atong battery. Okay. Okay, so make sure nga naka-turn off pa ang motorcycle before nimo i-taod ang terminals. Okay, so first i-check sa nato ning first na battery which is on the right hand side. Check na to iyang percentage kung pila. Okay, so as check, no? So naigid siya between 25. So exactly na siya sa 24% ang battery. Sa isa lang ka battery. So try na to install po ng pikas. So turn off sa nato. So unplug sa nato ning isa. Then check na to ang isa ka battery. Okay, so far okay. Okay, so ang isa ka battery na siya sa around 27% and no more errors, no? So either of the batteries are okay. So siguro try na to siya i-charge and check na to kung pila ka kilometer range ang estimated ano niya. Okay? So turn off sa na to balik and taod na to ang duha. Okay, so both batteries are installed and na siya sa 51%. So hopefully full charge niya na to siya, and check na to kung pila siya ka minutes and charge. So it's now 9:55 PM. So check na to pila. Okay, so charge na to siya and see kung okay ba ni yung batteries later. Okay. Okay, so na-set up na to ang charger. So here, ka-plug na siya. And ato sa day full charge before na to i-test. Okay, so far so good. Wala na tong alarm na blinking na icon katong sa to ang dashboard dire, which is katong alarm nga di gid modagan ang unit. So try na to ito on ang charger and check na to kung ano sa siya ma full charge. Okay, so it's now in 51% battery. Okay, so turn on na ang charger. Blinking red na. And here, charging at 51%. So sa app, so charging na po siya. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Continuous ra iyang charging. Moving ra pod ni iyang status indicator for the charge. And hopefully ma-full charge na ni. So the increase na good from 51 na sa 52% na siya karon. Okay, so it's now 10 PM. So check na to kung kano siya ma-full charge and hopefully matestingan na nato siya starting tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so increasing na itong charge at 52%. So hopefully okay ra na siya on the later part. So far so good. Increasing itong charging status. And by the way, I would like to thank Sir Zeeho and Sir Aaron of Motorstrada, Caloocan, which is the authorized dealer for Zeeho Philippines. So even though niabot siya almost 4 months sa replacement sa battery, but still it's under warranty. So they find ways no para mapadala ang battery sa Cebu. So gikan ni siya China and padala Manila, then Manila to Cebu. So kudos to those guys from Motostrada. So Motostrada okay siya with regards to after sale support. Galing lang medyo na delay tagamay, so understandably inana gyud na siya kay medyo stricto karon ang pagpa-shape, especially batteries. Okay, so daghang salamat Motostrada of Caloocan and Zeeho Philippines for your support. So hopefully ma-extend pa nato ang warranty sa ato ang battery. Okay, so later check na to kung what time ni siya mapuno. And hopefully sa good charging habit, ma-extend pa na to ang battery life sa to ang electric motorcycle. Okay? So check na to later kung full charge na siya. Okay, so good morning. It's now next day obviously. So far humanaw charge, iipos na to ang charger. So unlock na to ang bike. Okay, so wala na tong alarm na system failure and 100% na full charge ang battery. Ayos, so hopefully magdugay gyapon ni siya since mao man ni ang heart and soul good sa ato ang motorcycle, which is ang battery. Okay, so far ang battery naka full bars na siya. Okay, and wala ning bago na battery. Okay, ayos. So okay bayo. So later kung maayo ang panahon, ma-test drive na to siya. Galing lang medyo murag muuwan niya, muinit kadali. Sige lang, we'll find time para ma-test natin nato siya. But most probably ma-testing gud ni kay ginagamit na siya, especially yung mga short commutes o travel sa school. Sa ako ang bugoy. Okay, so that's it. So next time kung natin mga updates, inform lang mo.